Hello guys, how are you all doing? So you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your first sale on Seller. As you can see on my dashboard right here, I've made a lot of sales in the past. So you're at the right place and you're listening to the right person at this moment. So if you're struggling to make sales on Seller, you want to drop everything you are doing right now and pay attention to this video. I'll be very brief and I'll make sure I hit the nail on the head, or now you can start getting sales as soon as possible. So if you're new on this channel, my name is Charles Chinonso, and right here I talk about ways you can make money online and basically how-to tutorials. So if this is your first time on this channel, ensure to like this video, ensure to drop a comment, and also subscribe to this channel. Awesome, so let's get started. So if you have been looking for a side hustle or something that can help you earn extra income, Selar is the right platform for you, and I'll be breaking down all it takes to start earning from this platform. So what exactly is Selar and how does it work? So Selar is a platform that helps creators sell digital products like ebooks, courses, and templates. Now, their affiliate program allows people to become an affiliate of these products, and they get to earn commission by making sales. The affiliate program allows you to earn commission by promoting these products. So every time someone buys through your unique link, you get to receive a percentage for that sale. Sometimes it could be as high as 80%, sometimes 50%, or even 30%. But averagely, most of the commission you see are usually 50%. So that makes it very lucrative for you to start. That makes it a very lucrative business for you to do. So the good thing about Seller is you don't need to create your own products. It's beginner friendly with little or no cost, and you can promote products in any niche you are passionate about. Like, regardless of the niche you love, there's something for you on Seller to sell. There's something that is available for you to sell on Seller. So how do you get started on Seller? What does it take to start on Seller? So for you to start on Seller, you need to sign up on the platform. You need to sign up for an affiliate account. So I'll be dropping a link in the description so that you can watch a detailed video on how to create your affiliate account the right way. So you sure you go to the description and click that link so that you get to watch and create an account for yourself. So once you're done creating your account, then you'll be welcome with this interface. I guess you can see this interface right here. So this is what the affiliate interface looks like. So right here, you get to see all your links, all the affiliate links you have. You get to see all the sales you've made in the past, and you get to see how much money you've made from the business. So the next thing you want to do at this point is for you to access the affiliate marketplace. So for you to access this marketplace, you need to pay a fee. You need to pay a fee of 3,000 naira. But like I used to tell people, if you don't have that money, you can always reach out to creators online and ask them to make you an affiliate on Seller. That way, they will give you your own link to start promoting, and you still earn commissions from Seller. So, but then to avoid stress, our advice you pay the money so that you get to access several products, so that you get to have the privilege to choose the exact products you want. So for you to pay to access this marketplace, just come down here and click on access marketplace. Then you get to follow these instructions. You get to follow the instructions right here and make the payment. You can pay through your card or through transfer, depending on where you are paying from. If you are from Nigeria, you can pay through your card or transfer. If you are from Ghana, you can pay through Momo. And if you are from other African countries, it means you have to pay through your card. Hope you understand that, guys. Awesome. So once you're done with the whole process and you've accessed the marketplace, so now this is what the marketplace looks like. Can you see it right here? So the next step you want to do at this point is for you to choose a product you want to promote. Now you've accessed the marketplace, you want to choose a product you want to promote. So right here on Seller, there are several products on Seller, several products. And in fact, the good thing about Seller is that they've already break down everything into niches for you. If you come down here, let's go down. So right here, you can see all the niches we have on Seller. So many niches. There's lifestyle niche, there's health niche, there's education niche, fashion niche. So just get to like check any of them to choose a specific product you want to sell. Do you understand? Like if you want to start going through the Seller marketplace one by one, there are thousands of products there. You'll not be able to go through all the products at a time. So it's just better for you to come to where those niches are and get to select from a niche. Unless if you know a product you really want to promote, then you can now come to the search button here and search for that product you want to promote. Hope you get the point, guys. So but if you don't know what you want to promote, if you are actually looking for a product you want to promote, just come to where these niches are, select any of them and get to filter through the product you want to promote. Now, for you to identify hot products on Seller, there are some niches that are very hot on Seller. So these are some niches you have to look out for. So the first niche you should look out for are finance niche, like make money online niche. So this niche revolves around products that talks about how you can make money online. So if you get to find a product in this niche, it means you found yourself a hot product. You found yourself a hot product. So that is the first niche you should look out for if you are considering choosing a hot niche on the platform. So the second niche you should look out for are niche around health products, like the health niche. So if you find a product in the hot niche, then you find yourself a hot niche. You find yourself a hot product. So that is the second niche you should look out for if you are considering getting a hot product. Now, the third niche you should look out for are products that talks about travel. If you look around you, you'll find out that a lot of people are looking for how to travel out of their country. People are looking for how to travel out for greener pastures. So if you find a product in this niche that talks about how one can travel to Canada or how one can travel to US or to UK, then you find yourself a hot product. So just take your time. But like I said, I don't want this video to be too long. If you feel you want to know more of those niches, just click the link in the description and send me a DM on WhatsApp, and I get to like explain more to you. But then these three I mentioned are enough for you to start something. So once you found that product, so let's assume this is the product I want to promote right here. So I'll go ahead and click on get link. So I'll click on get link, then I'll come over here and click on copy link. So once I copy my link here, it means I've gotten a hot product I want to promote. Do you understand? It means I've gotten a hot product I want to promote. So I'll take this link and go and save on my notepad. So if you check this link, you will notice that it is usually very long. So I'll advise you to shorten the link. Ensure you shorten the link before you send it to your prospect, before you send it to your customer. Do you understand? So if you don't know how to shorten a link, I already made a video on that. So just check the link in the description on a tutorial on how to shorten your link, so that you get to send a customized and shortened link to your prospect. That way it makes it more appealing. It makes it not look scammy. So once you're done with that aspect, once you've gotten your hot product, you've gotten your affiliate link, now comes the most important part, you getting sales. How do you do your promotion to get sales? So this is the part that gives a lot of people headache. Like most people get to struggle with making sales on Seller, with making sales as an affiliate marketer. So when it comes to promoting your link, you want to be very strategic about that. You don't want to just copy the link from Seller and start posting across every social media platform. That way it looks like a scam. This is the part where you have to get creative and share your link in a way that it feels natural, in a way that it builds trust and drives sales. So the key to successful promotion is to provide value first. You want to learn to always provide value first to your audience. Nobody likes a spammy link. Don't just go around dropping your link everywhere on social media. You want to focus on creating content that educates people, content that entertain people, or solve a problem for your audience. Do you understand? Once you've provided value to people, and if they actually want to know more, or they want to learn more, or they want to actually get the actual products, you can now give them your link. Do you understand? You don't just go about telling people to come and buy my products, click this link and buy, click this link and buy. You want to focus on educating them, entertaining them, and also providing value. So I'll be talking about a few ways you can go about promoting your Seller affiliate links across different platforms. Okay, wait, you mean you are getting value and you've not subscribed to my channel yet? Like, that is totally wrong. How can you be getting this much value and you have not subscribed? So ensure you like this video, ensure you drop a comment how valuable this tutorial is to you, and also subscribe to this channel. Do you understand? Let's take this channel to 10,000 subscribers. So if you are getting value, like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to this channel. Just a way of you showing appreciation regarding how much value you are getting. Awesome. So let's proceed. So the first way to go about promoting your link is through blog or website. So if you have a blog, this is a good mind for affiliate marketing. So start by writing an in-depth article that relates to the product you are selling, that relates to the product you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting an ebook on how to start a side hustle, you can create a blog post titled 7 Proven Side Hustle Ideas for 2025. And in between it, you can just put a recommendation that this is the ebook you can get if you really want to go deep into this. So that recommendation will be like your affiliate link. So always ensure you add a call to action. The best way to do this is just after the blog post, just add a call to action. Something like, do you want to dive deeper into this side hustle? Check out this amazing ebook I found. So that way you see people clicking on that link to get the amazing ebook. And inside the ebook, it could be your lead magnet, or it could be the link to your affiliate offer, the link to your affiliate sales page. And that way, whoever is interested gets to buy from you. So this is one way to go about promoting your affiliate link. So the second way to go about promoting your affiliate link is through the use of social media platforms. So social media is a perfect way to reach a wide audience. On Instagram, you can create engaging stories or reels showcasing the products you are selling. For instance, if you are promoting a fitness course, you can record a quick video of yourself talking about a workout tip that you learned from that fitness course. Then you can go ahead and add your affiliate link in your bio and tell them that if they want to get more tips, they should click the link in your bio. So you don't just go about posting links across every social media platform. You can repeat this on Facebook, you can repeat this on TikTok. Do you understand? Even on X, you can write a thread breaking down the product benefits. The key to all this is for you to always add a call to action. Either you are creating a blog post or you are creating a social media post, always add call to action. So the third way you can go about promoting your affiliate link is through YouTube videos. So if you're already creating YouTube content, then affiliate links are a natural fit. You can start by making a review video about the product you are selling. Something like, why this digital marketing course changed my business. Then you can walk through what you love about it. You can show snippets of the products, and you can drop your affiliate link in the video description. So that way, once they click that link, they get to like land on your affiliate page and they get to like buy from you. Are you getting the point, guys? So that is the third way you go about promoting your affiliate link, through the use of YouTube videos. So let me reveal the last and final way you can go about promoting your affiliate link. Though there are other ways, but I just want to limit this to just these 4 ways so that this video don't get too long. If you want to learn more, if you want a detailed explanation of all these things I mentioned, you can just go to the description and send me a DM on WhatsApp so I get to like mentor you. The fourth and last way to go about promoting your affiliate link is through the use of paid advertisements. So if you have a small budget, you can consider running Facebook ad, you can consider running an Instagram ad. For example, you can create a short ad promoting an high converting product like a business course. You can target people that are into entrepreneurship. You can start small by using maybe 2,000 naira to run the ad per day, or you can even start with 5,000 naira per day if you can afford that. The good thing about using paid advertisement is that it makes the journey easy for you. It makes making sales super fast for you. And someone that is using organic method of promotion, it could take the person 1 week, but if you are using paid ad, within a day you could actually make your first sale as an affiliate marketer. So that is the fourth way, by using paid ads. There are several ways you can run ads. You can run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube right here. So many ways you can run paid ads, even on X. So if you want to learn how to run ads, I made a video in the past on how you can run ad on Facebook. You can check the link in the description on how you can run ad on Facebook. So that is basically the 4 ways you can go about promoting your affiliate links on Selar. So like I said, there are 4 steps involved. First thing is to sign up on Sellar. Second thing is for you to access the marketplace. The third thing is for you to choose a hot product. That is very important. If your product is not hot, even if you promote it from now to next year, it might not make sale. So ensure you choose a hot product. And lastly, ensure you promote your products strategically. So that is basically how you go about making your first sale as an affiliate marketer on Selar. So I believe you got value, guys. I believe you got value. If you did, ensure to like this video, ensure to subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment in the comment section how valuable this was to you. So I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.